It's always been about me, myself, and I thought relationships were nothing but a waste of time. I never wanted to be anybody's other half. I was happy saying I love that wouldn't last. That was the only way I knew till I met you. You make me wanna say I do, I do, I do, 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 do. Yeah, I do, I do, I do, 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 do. Cause every time before it's been like maybe yes and maybe no. I could live without it, I could let it go. Ooh, what did I get myself into? You make me wanna say I do, I do, I do, I do, I do, I do.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right. Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. In the moments when my good times start to fade, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. One, two, three, four.
It's you and me, moving at the speed of light into eternity. Tonight is the night. You join me in the middle of ecstasy. Feel the melody and the rhythm of the music around you, around you. I'ma take you there, I'ma take you there. So don't be scared, I'm right here, baby. We can go anywhere, but first, it's your chance. Take my hand, come with me. It's like I waited my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance floor. 'Cause we only got one night. Double your pleasure, double your fun, and dance forever, 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 forever could never be long enough for me to feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will. It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair, and she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there slack-jawed and nothing to say. 'Cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands. 'Cause she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again. It's a masterful melody when she calls out my name to me. As the world spins around her, she laughs, rolls her eyes, and I feel like I'm falling, but it's no surprise. 'Cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands. 'Cause it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yeah, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Yeah, yeah. Come on. Never gonna be in movies except in a back row seat. Never gonna be the raving beauty my mama thought I'd be. Never gonna write that novel, never be a homecoming queen. Never gonna be a supermodel on the cover of a magazine. But all those things don't matter in the light of things to come. 'Cause baby, you are my moon, and I am your sun. Oh, you make me feel like a star. Oh, baby, you say stay, baby, stay. Just the way you are, and tell me, girl, you're fine, and you will shine forever in my heart. That's why you, yeah, you make me feel like a star. If you were falling, then I would catch you. You need a light, I'd find a match. 'Cause I love the way you say good morning, and you take me the way I am. If you are chilly, here, take my sweater. Your head is aching, I'll make it better. 'Cause I love the way you call me baby, and you take me the way I am.
Ordinary, no, really don't think so. Not a love this true. Common destiny, we were meant to be, me and you. Like a perfect scene from a movie screen where a dream come true. Suited perfectly for eternity, me and you. Every day I need you even more, and the nighttime too. There's no way I could ever let you go, even if I wanted to. Every day I live, try my best to give all I have to you. Thank the stars above that we share this love, me and you. Even if I wanted to. Ordinary, no, I really don't think so. Just a precious few. Ever make it last, get as lucky